welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. If you'd like to see how to get this cut crease beauty hack, then keep on watching. Okay, so getting right into the video. So I'm using the BH Cosmetics Carli Bybel palette. I'm using the brown shade right here, and I'm buffing that all into my crease using a Sigma E38 brush. In the Shade and Light palette, I'm using the color Cinder, and I'm using the same brush and just buffing that into my crease. Taking a mini blending brush by Sigma, I'm just buffing out all the edges and where there are no harsh lines. Now for the cut crease beauty hack, what you want to do is you want to take a package from some eyelashes and you want to simply cut out one of the little circles that comes, which is the holder for the eyelash. So here I'm just taking some small scissors and I'm just cutting all around it, and this is what you're going to use as an eyelid stamp. That way you can create that nice cut crease shape. I'm then just dusting off all the excess powder that I had underneath my eyelids as a bake. Then taking the Tarte concealer, I'm applying this onto the stamp that we have just created, and I'm putting this onto my eyelid, and you'll see that it more or less creates the shape that you want, and then from there you can just kind of use a brush to create the ultimate shape that you want along your cut crease. So you can apply it just onto your lid, or you can kind of extend it as you see I'm doing here. Back into the Kat Von D palette, I'm taking the color Sterling and I'm applying that all over my lid. I'm actually using the Sigma E57 brush, and I'm just using patting motions to apply this glitter all onto my eyelid. Going back into the color Smudge with the Sigma E21 brush, I'm just applying that all over my lower lash line. I did a quick wing liner and I applied some lashes as well. Onto the rest of the face, I'm using the Rimmel London to bronze up my face and also apply some blush as well. Using the ChromaGlow palettes, I love this palette. I'm using the color Peaceful, and I'm putting that all over the high points of my face. As you can see, I was stunned. I love the outcome. This color is so amazing on the face and it just applies so smoothly. So I'm just putting this in all the areas where I would like to highlight my face. Then to finish off the look, I'm simply applying the lip liner by Huda Beauty, and this is in the color Spice Girl. And then right over top that, I'm using the same color Spice Girl once again, and this is in the liquid matte, and I'm just applying that all over my lips. This is one of my absolute favorite colors by Huda. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you liked this video. If you did like the video and also like the beauty hack that I showed you, please be sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And don't forget to create a life that you love.
Oh no!